Yo, if you're tired of dead-end jobs and thinking about leveling up your life, HVAC might be your ticket out. I'm about to give you real tips on how to break into this game the right way. Let's get it. So first off, tip number 1, get educated but don't go broke. You don't need a 4-year degree to start making serious money. Look for trade schools, community colleges, or union programs that offer HVAC certification. Some can be done in under a year. Don't get trapped in $40,000 of debt. Keep it smart. Now once you've got that certification, you're like a level 1 character, right? All the newbies start here. Now before you touch refrigerant, you gotta have your EPA 608 certification. Most schools will include this in the program, but if you're DIYing it, you can study online and test at local supply houses. This is your golden ticket into the industry. It shows you know the basics of handling refrigerant, and it is a must-have before you even think about getting a job. Tip 3. Start with install or maintenance work. So when you're starting out, don't expect to be diagnosing advanced systems your first week. You need to pay your dues. Start with installs or PMs. That's where most new guys start. You'll work with senior techs who will show you the ropes, change out equipment, do routine maintenance. It's the best way to build your skills. One wire, one wrench, one walkthrough at a time. Tip 4. Find a mentor or a solid company. This one's crucial. Try to get with a company that actually wants to teach you, not just use you. Find a mentor who's willing to share their knowledge, or if you're on your own, link up with a senior tech who will let you tag along and soak up game. Ask questions, take notes, be a sponge. Trust me, the right company or mentor can fast-track your learning and help you avoid so many mistakes. But if you end up with a bad apple, don't worry. Just bounce and find your next crew. Remember, you're not a rookie forever. Tip 5. Stay learning. Stay leveling up. The tech is always changing. New refrigerants, smart thermostats, variable speed, everything. The guys who stay learning, they're the ones making 100 grand plus. Hit up YouTube, manufacturer trainings, tech forums. There's a ton of resources out there. Never stop sharpening the blade. Look, HVAC changed my life. No cap. And it can change yours too. But like anything worth having, it takes work, sweat, dedication. You'll be learning on the fly, figuring out how to navigate the trade. There are so many things that they don't teach you in school. If you're ready to grind, learn, and get uncomfortable in the beginning, you'll be chilling later, literally and financially. If this helped, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and follow for more tips from someone who's really in the field. Not some random dude on the internet. Your future is ducted and sealed. It's time. Go get it, HVAC people.